Industries using drone surveying. Drone surveying is not just a technological trend, it is quickly becoming an essential tool across multiple industries around the world. Organizations are constantly looking for ways to collect data faster, safer, and more accurately, and drones provide the perfect solution. In this lecture, we'll explore some of the major industries that rely on drone surveying today. Let's start with construction. Construction companies use drones to monitor job sites, track project progress, and create accurate site maps. Instead of manually surveying large areas, drones can capture aerial data of the entire site in a short amount of time. Engineers and project managers can then use this data to compare construction progress with project plans, identify potential issues early, and make better decisions. Next is the mining industry. Mining operations cover large and often difficult terrain. Drone surveys allow mining companies to quickly generate detailed maps of mining areas and measure stockpile volumes. This helps them monitor excavation progress, manage resources, and improve operational efficiency. What once required extensive manual surveying can now be done in a matter of hours. Another powerful application is in agriculture. Farmers and agricultural specialists use drone surveys to monitor crop health, analyze field conditions, and improve irrigation planning. By capturing aerial images of farmland, drones can reveal patterns that are difficult to see from the ground. This allows farmers to detect crop stress, optimize fertilizer usage, and improve overall productivity. Drone surveying also plays an important role in infrastructure and urban planning. Governments and engineering firms use drones to survey land for roads, bridges, railways, and large development projects. High resolution aerial maps help planners visualize the terrain and design infrastructure more effectively. Drones also assist in inspecting existing infrastructure like highways, pipelines, and power lines. Another rapidly growing area is environmental monitoring. Researchers and environmental agencies use drones to study forest, coastlines, wildlife habitats, and natural disasters. Drone surveys can help track deforestation, monitor flooding, and analyze environmental changes over time. What makes drone surveying so valuable in all these industries is its combination of speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Large areas can be surveyed quickly, data can be processed into detailed maps, and professionals can gain insights that were previously difficult to obtain. Because of these advantages, the demand for drone surveying skills is growing rapidly. Professionals who understand how to plan surveys, capture drone data, and process aerial imagery are becoming increasingly valuable in today's technology driven industries. In the next lecture, we'll take a closer look at traditional surveying methods and how drone surveying compares to them. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.